Good morning. Let me share about the placement training program sponsored by UNEXT. In this program, I have learned certain things, such as before of this placement training, I have not sure about my decision making and group activities. Now I have learned such great things such as decision making and leadership and some more things, coordinations. I am really very happy to learn this. Thanks for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for the wonderful opportunity provided by UNEXT.
Good morning, I'm Dominic from CSE final year, Anna University Regional Campus, Tirunelveli. So I've joined this UNEXT skill training program, and I'm really glad that I joined because I went through. I learned a lot of social skills. And the fun activity, group activities, and it was really fun and a very good opportunity. And thanks to UNEXT for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
A good teacher doesn't teach, they make change. So good morning, I'm Deepthi and here to share about my feedback on the past few weeks. Unlike many members, I came here to just have fun, but I did learn a lot throughout the session. So throughout the session, I learned a lot. I learned that there is a world outside academics. I learned that social life matters a lot more than just books. I learned to respond rather than just react. And even more, I learned to stand in front of a crowd and speak without any fear. Every day we have this session. We close our eyes and thank the people in our lives. Today I'm grateful that I closed my eyes and thanked our instructor, Mr. Midhan sir, for conducting an amazing session throughout. And also, I'd like to extend my thanks to Unnati Foundation for arranging such a session in our college. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Sanjay Shankar from Mechanical Department, studying in Anna University Regional Campus, Tirunelveli. I am here to share a few words about feedback of Unnati Foundation. The course is taken by respected sir, Mighty Midhan sir, and we are glad to have such a great sir in our course. We have learned a lot of fun activities. Since I have attended this class, I learned a lot of activities. I have a lot of friends here now, and lots of memories, and lots of gratitude, and lots of attitude, and whatever in my life. I think it will take me to the next level, not only for my studying placement, and also for my life placement. Thank you.
My name is Nitin Krishna from Anna University. I like to share my feedback about this session, wonderful session. Before this session, I was fear to speak in front of so many people. But every day, but in this session, every day I was learning new life skills and with many fun-based activity. So I like to sincerely thanks to Mithun sir and Unnati Foundation for this wonderful sessions. Thank you.
Good morning. I would like to share about my experience. First of all, I thank Infosys for providing, for sponsoring Unnati Foundation. I'm really grateful for that. We have learned many human values. I learned that more than earning, more than having a normal routine, daily routine, we have to live a life that makes sense every day. We have to do something what we expect from others. I have learned that, and everything we learned was through fun activity. From each fun activity, we had a moral which we like to follow, and automatically everything was registered in our mind. And we thank Unnati Foundation. And our special thanks to Midhan sir for taking care of us for about a month. We thank for